Okay, today I am going to show you a few things before I go into the videos. There's going to be various video. This is Benny, and Benny is 6 years old, and I am going to show you a lot of things that a lot of people a lot of people don't know, and sometimes people would say that it's the dog that is actually stupid, blah blah blah. Well, after watching this video, you're going to think twice about dogs, and I hope you do. You might learn a few things from it. Benny has been with me for almost 6 years, and I talk to him like I talk to a child. And it's going to be all up to you on that, for you to decide. If is it the owner that is being stupid, or is it the dog that is being stupid? Well, I'll let you decide on that one. I already have my conclusion. But anyway, so now we're going to go with the next video. Benny, look at the camera. Benny, say hi. Say hi. Want to say hi to camera? What are you looking at? Anyway, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go to the next. Okay, now the next video is eating. Listen, I cooked all this for you, okay? So you have to eat it. Go ahead. Go finish it, please. Is it still hot? Is it still hot? Is it? Let me test it out. It's not that hard. Alright, go ahead. Finish it. Thank you. Not that hard. Hey, don't put it on the floor. Hey. It might be still hot, that's why he dropped it, but I don't want that stuff on the floor. Keep it in the bowl. I am also eating, so when he sees me eat, he eats at the same time. That's how it works. When he was little, or younger, when he does something, you have to talk to him. And like, he used to take those and drop them on the floor, whatever. He still does. You have to tell him to pick them up right away. And if you do, when you talk to him and you tell him to pick them up, he does it. So the correction is, it has to be done right away. Benny, if that plate slides, you have to put your paw in there to hold it, okay? Put your paw inside to hold it. Benny, you have to hold the plate. There's some food in there. He probably won't do it now. I'm going to move the camera a little bit. Hold that plate with your paw. There's still food all over the place. He won't do it. Benny, hold the plate. Hold that bowl. Put your paw in there. See, he's doing it right now. Benny, put your paw in there. Benny, paw. Put your paw in there. Put your paw in there. See, he's trying. You can see the other paw. Try it. Benny, put your paw in there. Hold the plate. See, he put the, see this paw right there inside. See, he have the paw in there. He's holding it right now. You all set? He's still keeping his paw in there. Oop, he just took it out. You all set? Alright, this is what you have to do. Okay, so he's all set. Now I'm going to give him a towel. Okay, come here. What you have to do? Clean your face. Clean your face, please. Benny, clean your face, please. You need to do some more. Is it clean? Try some more. Clean some more. Hey. Okay, good boy. You all done? You want more? You want more food? Alright, I'm gonna pause the video so I can get him more food. Okay, so I got him a new one. I'm gonna take the towel away. Alright, here you go. Benny, make sure to put your paw in there when the thing slide. Put your paw in there to hold it, okay? Go ahead, continue. If it starts sliding, you better put your paw in there to hold it. Go ahead, continue. Are you done? Go back, finish it. Hey, excuse me. You're not finished. Finish your food. You don't need to look at me. Finish your food, please. You're spilling on your floor. See that on the floor? Look at that piece on the floor. Can you get those up, please? Benny, finish the food, please. Are you full? Are you full? Go back. Go back. Hey. Go back. Hurry up. Finish that food. Go. No, not downstairs. Down here. Over here. Sit down. Are you done? Are you done? Alright. Okay, wait. If you're done, go clean your face. Clean your face again. Hey. Clean your face again. Clean it again, please. Hey, use that clean towel. That's a clean towel. I just gave you a clean towel. Clean some more. I think you got some more in there. Can you clean some more? Hey, clean some more. See the towel? Are you good now? Are you good? Speak if you're good. Are you good? When he sits like that, that's mean he tells you he's okay. If when he wants something and you ask him, he sits down. That's telling you that he wants something, or he's obeying, or whatever the rule is. Anyway, okay, so you're done. You want a snack? You want a snack? You want a Twizzler? Want a Twizzler? Hey, speak if you want a Twizzler. Speak. You want a Twizzler? Excuse me, you want a Twizzler? Okay. Alright. Before I give him a Twizzler, I'm going to put it on the bed. And I'm going to tell him that he's not allowed to leave that on the bed, okay? I'm going to go get a Twizzler. Alright, stay right there. Take a Twizzler. He loved Twizzlers. Okay. I'm going to leave it on the bed right here. And I'm going to tell him that he's not. Alright, here you go. You can't eat it there. Go down. Now he goes over there. Because he's allowed to eat right there. See that? If I tell him not to eat on the bed, he won't eat in the bed. That's how it works. And now he's just going to have his Twizzlers. Alright. You did a good job today. Thank you. Thank you. On to the next video. Okay, so now he's done with his Twizzlers. You want another one? You want another piece? Alright, come close. Yeah, come to the camera. Come over here. No, come. Right there, sit down. You want another one? So that's where he eats. That's where he have his treats. So he eats right there. Other than that, his food is in the bowl. So he eats in the bowl. But for treats, that's his rug treat. Because sometimes I actually give him the bones. And he'll have to bring it out there because sometimes bones get greasy and stuff. And I don't want it all over the place. So he goes on that little rug right there. So basically, that's his snack rug. Hey, excuse me, where you going? Do you have to go downstairs now? Oh, he might has to go down now. Do you need to go downstairs? Alright. You can go. Go ahead. Oh well. Okay, so that's the end of this one right here. He's downstairs now.